Hello, in this video, you'll be introduced to cash flow within Wiise. Cash. It's the area of the business that can be the hardest to manage. Making sales and purchasing from vendors affects your cash. Reimagine your cash flow with Wiise. Get the big picture and the fine detail of your cash, because knowing your cash inflows and outflows is important in running any business. In this overview of the cash flow, you'll see reporting and forecasting within Wiise and the key features and benefits for doing so. You will see the 3 cash flow reports that come with your subscription to Wiise that you can even preview in a trial. Also, you'll find out ways to streamline your cash flow forecast to avoid having to do manual entries. This includes using Cortana's artificial intelligence that links aggregate data to enhance your forecast. We are currently logged in as the accountant role in Wiise. This provides you with various reports that provide insights to your cash flow. With this role, you can make better decisions on cash flow. On the Accountant Role Center, under Business Assistance, you'll find 3 reports: the cash cycle, cash flow, and income and expense charts. Each one offers a way to analyze your current cash position. This includes the cash cycle, which illustrates how long does the sales process tie up my cash. For instance, this tells you if you should increase or reduce inventory levels. The cash flow chart shown is of a previous period, thereby asking, when did cash move in and out of my company, and are some periods better than others? Then finally, the income and expense chart that helps you examine if the numbers seem off for a period. You might ask, should I investigate why this is off? With all the charts in Business Assistance, you'll get flexibility to view them. For example, in the income and expense chart, you can see figures for a period by using the timeline slider. Filter the chart by choosing the source in the legend. Change the length of the period, or go to the previous or next period by choosing options on the Finance Performance drop-down. View the entries by choosing a point in the chart. For example, a point on the timeline or a column segment. This allows you full visibility on your cash flow from all perspectives through dynamic tools, so it is actionable intelligence right there on your role center. Although it's separate, the cash flow forecast chart is similar. This cash flow forecast allows you to inquire when a cash surplus or deficit might happen. What does this mean? It tells you when to pay down debt or borrow to meet upcoming expenses. You view details, filter results, and change what is displayed in the same ways. If you change a setting, you can refresh the forecast by choosing Cash Flow Forecast, then Recalculate Forecast. If you want to examine the forecast, in addition to forecast entries, you can also look at the cash flow worksheet. To view a cash flow worksheet, search for Cash Flow Forecasts and then choose a related link. Select a cash flow forecast and then choose the cash flow worksheet action. On the cash flow worksheet page, choose the Suggest Worksheet Lines action. For example, you can see how the forecast handles confirmed sales and purchases, subtracts payables and adds receivables, skips duplicate sales orders and purchase orders, even include aspects from potential operational sections of your database, service management, job costing, apply budgets, and Cortana intelligence. Cash flow forecasts can use Cortana intelligence to include documents with a due date in the future. The result is a more comprehensive prediction. The connection to Cortana intelligence is already set up for you. You just need to turn it on. Just click on the question mark to look up the following page from our help library. This will take you through the whole process, even direct you to where you can retrieve a free Azure AI account from Microsoft. Once this setup is complete, you can use Cashflow to extract intelligence underneath the surface and easily create a short-term forecast that predicts how and when you expect money to be received and paid out by your business. See the hidden details of your business with Cashflow in Wiise. Discover the hidden depth of knowledge that you can use to make better decisions.